In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your shop page in WooCommerce. So the first thing you have to do is you have to log into your WordPress account and go to the dashboard. I'm at the dashboard right now as well. Then go to WooCommerce and go down till you see settings. This is the settings tab over here. You want to click on this. And then you can go to, then we are at the general settings. You don't want to go to the general settings. You want to go to the product over here. So hit products. And this is going to redirect you to the product settings. And as you can see, my shop page is the store page. And if you want to change this, you can just hit this button and you can change it to anything you like. So for example, if you have a different store page on your website, you can choose the store page. For example, if it's home, hit home, save changes, and then your shop page will be your home page. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.